fellow adventurers, Baroness here, and I'm back with another unboxing video. So, now as usual, some time had passed as for my recordings, because you know it's hard to get motivation. But as the time I was recording this, it is January, so not only has another year passed, but also another birthday and Christmas. So I got some stuff to show as well. So to go along with this unboxing. And as you can see, I am in another new room. We have jumped houses again, and we had to downsize before finding a house that we can stay in longer. I hate the size of this room. So before I get into the unboxing, I'm going to show you some stuff that I got for my birthday and Christmas. Such as a brand new camera that I got from my mom. I was about to make this video with this camera because I wanted to test it out, but turns out SD card not included. I could have sworn that my last camera came with the card, but I guess not this one. And the reason I've been wanting a new camera, I think I mentioned it before, but I forgot. I think I might have said it. But my camera here, this blue one, and it like got cracked around the lens part, so I didn't exactly feel comfortable using it again. It might probably still work alright, but with it being broken and right there, I'm kind of worried about using it again. And so I figured it might be time for a new one anyway. Hey, I did have this one for a really long time. This new camera, it's got a lot of stuff going on with it. At the box right here, like it's got a little bag holder thing, and you put the camera in here, and then you can like strap it to something. And so that's cool. It came with its own little bag. I guess a lens wiper thing. And it came with a freaking mic. I'm not sure. It's supposed to like drown out sound so you can speak into it and it'll be on your voice. I don't know. So it'll be interesting to try out this mic on a freaking camera. It's got various cords and stuff. A couple batteries. And it also came with this remote. Let me see. When I was looking at it, when I opened it up for Christmas to like check it out, I was just looking at this room. I was like, "What the heck is the remote doing in here?" But then now that I'm actually looking at the buttons, I'd say, "Hey, it's a remote for the camera itself." And that's really cool. I can control it from a distance. That's really cool. Once I get an SD card for this thing, I'm actually really looking forward to trying this out. I mean, I'm not sure what kind of videos I'll be able to make in this room. I'm so freaking small. We'll see. Yeah, I can see it's a little hard to bring it. I got this Godzilla versus Kong. I think it's called like a 3D lamp. It's really cool. It's just like a flat thing. Nothing special about it. But once you put it over this lamp, it lights up. That's really cool. This is a cool kind of lamp. That's not the only kind of lamp I got. Gotta be careful with this thing. You guys even be able to see it? I guess I have to move my webcam. I got a lava lamp. I remember like my brothers and I had lava lamps years ago. And I wanted one. And again, because lava lamps are cool. What the? Actually, I hit the lens thing. I got this Charmander plush with a snow hat. So that's 2 Charmander plushes I have. But this one is nice and soft. I will admit, it is nice and soft. I actually got some Godzilla clothing here. I was expecting to get these. These like Godzilla slipper things. It's Godzilla Day, November 3rd. I'm not sure what kind. Is this like slippers you wear for inside? Is this something you can take outside? Probably just regular slippers. It's got like really small sleeves. I mean, it's stretchy, you know, but it's like really small. I tried putting these on, and it's like really tight on my feet. Maybe you need to like stretch down or something. I don't know. Got these Godzilla shorts. Let's see, get a good look at it. There it is. Haven't exactly wore it yet because it's winter. Or, you know, wear shorts in winter. This I really liked. Hey, this was a late Christmas or birthday gift. It's a freaking Godzilla jacket. I actually really love wearing this thing. Hey, it's really soft on the inside. I really love wearing that. And I got a Switch game here. Detective Pikachu Returns. I was like I played the first one, but I did see its cutscenes. And I figured I wanted her to like try my luck against. And it's a big brain game. And I'm not exactly very big brain. Alright, now I got a bag of figures here. Let me just go through the more important ones. I got Playmates. It's Godzilla Energized. He is a lot more blue than I thought. I'm not sure. Is it normal for the figure to be this blue? I thought it was supposed to look like blue stripey, but this is very blue. Ooh, I have to look at video to see if it's actually supposed to be that blue. And I got Playmates Tiamat. The freaking fandom with this freaking noodle. Don't get me wrong, I think Tiamat's cool, but holy crap, was there an outrage for Godzilla killing this thing? Hey, Tiamat literally stole the story of Kong's survival instinct. Hey, why? Hey, there was nothing special about this thing. Hey, why are we giving it so much importance now? Especially in the comics, apparently, hey, her essence could potentially revive dead monsters. Like, why does she need that? Die. Friggin' stay dead, Tiamat. I hope you don't come back. If Tiamat does come back, I hope Godzilla kills her twice as hard. And with my Amazon money, I bought Playmates XGXK Mothra. Our first real, normal, legendary Mothra figure. How she compares to like this original, smaller legendary Mothra. Fortunately, this one doesn't have articulation, but the big version has articulation. I don't think I'll get it. I don't exactly need huge figures. As usual, we went to Dave & Buster's for my birthday, and there's like these little Godzilla keychain mystery pack things. And I got this Heisei Godzilla, I'm not sure which one it is, and Biollante. There's also My Hero Academia one. And I figured I'd try to see what I get with that. And I got Hero Killer Stain. I was hoping for a character I liked. Hey, if I got Bakugo with that, I'd be so insulted. I got a bunch of Sonic figures here. I think it was Jax Pacific. Was it Jax Pacific or was it Jazzwares? I forgot, but I got a Sonic Prime. I'm Rusty Rose. I like the Rusty Rose. Sonic Prime honestly wasn't that bad. Yeah, I honestly enjoyed it. Oh, I forgot about these. He's little chibi. He Godzilla evolved in Shimo figures. Forgot I had those. And then I got a bunch of these Sonic Prime mystery figures. Hey, it gave me these little ball things. It's like, hey, there's Pirate Sonic. Hey, Thorn. And they call it the Boss Cage Maze. Hey, there's the Eggman from New York City. His New York Knuckles. I forgot what was it. There's Rebel Rouge and I forgot what Knuckles' name was in that series. And I think this one was Dread from the Pirate World. Knuckles from the Jungle World. Hard to remember these guys' names. And why are the names gotta be so different in the alternate worlds? Oh yeah, I had to get 2 Pirate Sonics. Yeah, also a little figure of another one, the Eggmans. And again, forgot his name. Also got this Pirate Amy. Yeah, they called her Black Rose. However, she cannot go together. I tried putting her together, but she just will not go together. She's broken. And every year, our dad gets us as a Hot Wheels car. I got like this Lego or Mega Bloks car. It actually comes apart. Alright, that's pretty cool. Alright, that's basically all the important stuff to show. Okay, you guys have waited long enough. I dragged this on long enough. I just wanted to show you some cool stuff I got. Now we can finally get to freaking unboxing this thing. Hey, oh right, I almost forgot. The Playmates Mothra came with the little Jaya. Hard to focus. Alright, should be able to open this thing with my bare hands alone. I am really excited for this. Oh, okay, I have a bag one in the bag. Oh my god, yes. No, everything's slipping out of my hands. Bubble wrap! Okay, they just taped up here. That's one way to seal it. Get off me. Yes. Godzilla 1998 Bandai Movie Monster Series. Oh, my precious. Oh, no. Oh god, that's bad. I was so shocked when I saw this was announced. It was one thing that Bandai Movie Monster Series has made a Zilla figure, specifically from Final Wars, but Godzilla 1998 itself. When I saw this was announced, when I saw it on the wiki of the listings of Bandai Movie Monster Series figures, I knew that as soon as this came out, I had to get it as soon as possible. Oh, I needed it. Yeah, I need all the Zilla figures. Oh my god. Oh, he's so beautiful. Oh, let me turn on my phone's light and see if I can give you guys a better look at it. Yeah. Oh, that looks so good. It's better detail works than the Zilla figure. Speaking of, let's compare. Here's Zilla from Fire Wars. Here's switch him up. Interesting how Final Wars Zilla has like the body built like 1998 would. While Zilla 1998, he has a body built like Final Wars Zilla would stand. Like Final Wars Zilla is standing like hunched over like 98 would, while Zilla 98 is standing upward like Final Wars Zilla would. That's a little funny to me. And of course, here he is compared to Trendmaster Zilla. Yeah, obviously, Trendmaster has like a lot more detail going on to him. However, feetsies. He has, of course, the broken off tail, a Zilla figure that can actually stand properly and has a full tail. Oh, I would love using this thing in my videos. Sat on my bed. Here he is compared to his fellow American Goji. Pretty close in size. He's got 4 points of articulation. The fact that Bandai Movie Monster Series cared to not only make a Zilla figure, but then to straight up make a 1998 figure. One of his most iconic shots. It's on the freaking tag. Imagine if they actually touched on Godzilla the series. That would make them so much money. Godzilla fans will be eating that up. I would be eating that up. Made the Godzilla series figures happen. And it was gonna happen, but then it never did. Make it happen. Okay, this video was dragged on for a long time. I'm not sure how much I'll be able to shorten it. I hope you guys enjoy nonetheless. That's my birthday and Christmas haul. And Bandai Movie Monster Series Zilla 1998. Everyone was a real hater of Zilla, and now suddenly they care enough to like, that's Godzilla. The one of Fire Wars is Zilla. They're different monsters, even though they totally look the same and sound the same. And if it walks like a duck, it acts like a duck, it sounds like a duck, it's a duck. Like, I call him Zilla no matter what, 'cause he's my boy. Zilla's a nice nickname for him. So yeah, that's all I had to show. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace and out.